Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to hide the videos you have liked on TikTok. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. Now, did you know people can see what videos you have liked on TikTok? So you can see which video a TikTok user has liked by going into their profile, then tapping on this heart icon here. And as you can see, this person has made his liked videos private. So let me show you how to hide the videos you have liked on TikTok. So first you want to go ahead and open up TikTok. Next you want to tap on your profile tab here at the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines at the top right. Then tap on settings and privacy. Now you want to go ahead and tap on privacy. Scroll down until you see liked videos. Tap on it. And now here you want to make sure only me is selected. If you select everyone, anyone can see which video you have liked on your TikTok account. So to hide it, you want to go ahead and select only me. Now once you do that, all your liked videos will be private and only you can see the videos you have liked. So that is how to hide the videos you have liked on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.